A certain smell can trigger your emotions and even transport you to a past moment in time. From the fresh smell in the air when the season changes to the smell of coffee that reminds you of the uncountable dates that you've had at your favorite coffee shop, a fragrance has the power of bringing back the memory of a person, a place, or a situation, sometimes even emotions, and all of this from just a little whiff. And that's how MamaEarth EDP works. Experience MamaEarth signature scents which match your personality and help you escape the hustle and bustle and allow you to cherish your lovable memories. Firstly, we have White Musk. With every spray, it gives you the freshness of lily and a sensual musk that awakens you with a light touch of lavender. The next one is called Floral, and floral is surely a treat of spring with every spray. It's got citrusy clean notes with apple and lavender, making it a perfect balance of floral and fruity notes. The next one is called Oud, and it's like an escape to Arab. It's got this woody smell that is rich with nuances ranging from leather, earthy, sweet to spicy fragrances. The fourth one is called Aqua, and this fragrance does not need an explanation. It just feels so fresh, like you're just out of the pool, like you just came home from the rains, like you just had a shower. That is how fresh it feels. All of these new EDPs by MamaEarth smell so good. They are signature fragrances. They have unique scents to match your personality. And if you're confused which one to get, then do not worry. MamaEarth has also come up with their EDP Discovery Kit, which contains 5 fragrances, 5 mini sizes. This is a travel size mini packaging that you can easily fit inside your purse. Take it anywhere with you. You can travel with this and apply a new scent every day on your vacation. You can use this in so many ways. You can just try out all of these fragrances and finally buy the one that matches your personality the best, that suits you the best, that brings back all the good memories to you. You can find out which one you like the best and then go for the full size after trying out this travel size mini kit. And by purchasing this discovery kit, you're getting 5 different fragrances, 5 travel size fragrances at the cost of one full size bottle. So this discovery kit is absolutely worth it. You can try this first and then invest in the full size bottle of the fragrance that you love the most. Now if you ask me the fragrance that I love the most, then it has to be the White Musk one. This just brings back so many memories to me. This reminds me of 2 of my trips. One that I took to Kashmir when I was in school. So I had gone with my family to Kashmir, to Srinagar, and Srinagar is so famous for its gardens, its botanical gardens. So I had visited this very beautiful floral garden in Srinagar, and it had this entire separate section of different flowers. So there were this sunflower wala section, there were roses wala section, and then they had white lilies. That's exactly how this smells like. I really love the fragrance of lilies and lavenders and musk and all of that. I feel like it's one of the most sensual fragrances a woman can wear, and when I smelled the fragrance at the garden, it just drove me crazy. And that's exactly the memory that comes back to me every single time that I spray this on me. So it reminds me of that. And then another trip that I took to Ooty. So my first trip was in the north, extreme north to Kashmir, and the second trip was extreme south down to Ooty, and that's where I visited another botanical garden, because Ooty is all green and beautiful. So it had this very beautiful garden there, and there they had all different kinds of plants, all different kinds of flowers, but I was most attracted to lilies and lavenders because I just have a thing for them. And this reminds me of that trip as well. So it brings back a lot of good memories to me. Ooty was my honeymoon destination. It brings back my honeymoon memories. It brings back the memories that I took to Kashmir with my with my family. It was a family trip. So it's just got so many different things that it gives me whenever I spray this on myself. And yeah, I really enjoy using this. The fragrance is absolutely bomb. So you can try out this discovery kit, select your favorite fragrance and then purchase the full size. These fragrances are very long lasting. They last up to 12 hours. The fragrances, they are made safe certified. They're 100% vegan, so they can be used on an everyday basis as well. They're super affordable, even like the quality of the fragrances, the longevity of the fragrances, and just everything about them, from the packaging to the smell to like everything about them is so good, and that too at such an affordable price. They're very affordable, and on top of that, if you use my discount code Riya 2022, you'll get a 20% off on these fragrances. You can shop them from MamaEarth's website or their app and use my discount code, or you can even shop from Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart. But whenever you place an order on MamaEarth's website, they will link your order to a treat that they planned. Also, MamaEarth has come up with their Goodness Insider program. It's a loyalty program crafted for everyone, and you get free gifts and free shipping on every order, and also exclusive sales and offers only for insiders. So the link to become a MamaEarth insider is mentioned in the description box below. Go check it out. So that was my video on the newly launched MamaEarth EDPs. I am stunned by how beautiful the fragrances are, and I absolutely love each and every fragrance. Always carry the travel size white musk one in my bag just in case I need a touch up, because it just smells so beautiful. My husband absolutely loves the aqua one and the oud one, and my sister loves the floral one, so we all have something that we really like. So you can select any of these fragrances based on your personalities, and all the purchase links are mentioned in the description box below. Make sure you check that out if you're interested. So that was my video for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what products would you like me to review. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram, and yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.